Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today is a little product review time. I'm holding this in the most awkward way with my hand right now. Nonetheless, the Adams Graphene ceramic coating is something I bought like 3 months ago and have not really had a chance to put on my car because it needed a full paint correction. So that's what we're doing today. I looked at like how you apply it, how long you should wait for curing, what are the exact steps you need to do to apply proper preparation and whatnot. We're gonna do everything today and I hope you learned something from it because I'm very excited to put this on the car. Step one is to fully decontaminate and wash the car. I've already done that, so it's perfect as far as like cleanliness. The paint, however, is not in perfect condition. So we're gonna do a full paint correction on this car, get it prepped for the ceramic coating, then we're gonna do the install. I did use this on my exhaust tips because I literally got this exhaust installed yesterday. Already kind of saw the water beading and water sheeting this stuff is capable of, which is amazing, let me tell you. Without further ado, let's get right to it. If you guys are new to the channel and want to see more stuff like this, subscribe, stick around, like the video. Got this guy with me helping today. It's gonna make it a lot easier, two-man job. Let's get to it. Paint correction is 100% finished and this car is now clean, free of most every single scratch on here. Obviously, no paint correction is gonna be 100%, but I'd say this is about 97 to 99%. It's looking really good. Let me get around the car so I can show you guys. Now we can start the next step of the prep process, which is going to be the entire car in isopropyl alcohol. You can just get off the shelf at like CVS or something. So you have no polish residue left on the paint surface, no anything left on the entire vehicle. So that's what we're gonna do now. And then we will be ready for the ceramic. All right, I didn't record myself doing the isopropyl alcohol. I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. You just mist it on, wipes right off. Most of it evaporates, so the surface is entirely clean now. Time for the Adams Graphene ceramic. So if you get the kit, which I will link in the description, it comes with an applicator and it comes with a towel and a prep and a couple other things, I believe. I just got the bottle because I have all that stuff here. So we're gonna use one of these. It is a little pad on the inside and then a microfiber kind of towelette. This is a way to do it. We're gonna do the entire car. I don't think I've ever seen my car this clean ever, which is awesome. We're gonna start on this rear area, top of the trunk lid, just to get kind of a test. And then we're gonna do the entire car and get everything looking really, really spotless. So I'm gonna film that for you guys. Obviously not gonna film doing the entire car. It's pretty much the same thing for the entire car. Let's get started. So you apply it in a crosshatch pattern. So yeah, it's starting to flash for us a little bit. Kind of see on camera there. So from Adams, it says wait for it to rainbow and then kind of go away a little bit. So it flashes and it'll be a little more clear and then you come back with a clean microfiber towel and completely buff it off. It's been about 45 seconds, maybe a minute since we applied it. It's starting to look good, I'd say. So I'd say we're gonna wait about 30, maybe 45 more seconds and then buff it off with a clean microfiber towel. And then we'll be done with this section.
So compared to this side, this is really slick, and this side is tacky, which you want when I'm buffing it off.
All right, we're gonna continue, get this whole car done, and give you the update when we're finished. Again, crosshatch pattern, about 2 by 2 foot area for the sake of the trunk lid. For the trunk lid, we're just doing it in 2 sections, but almost finished up. The sun was kind of hitting us right here. You do not want to apply this in sunlight, so we just moved the car, which is actually going to be better for us because we get these lights on this entire side. We'll be able to see a little more clearly what we're doing. But we're gonna finish the coating on this car, apply just how we started on every single panel. That's what we like to see. Holy cow. Of course that thing comes on right when I start to talk. We just finished up the coating and holy moly. Carson's prepping the glass. I also coated these tips yesterday because they were brand new yesterday. We'll see how it holds up, but so far so good. I washed them and water came right off, so stuff is good for everything. Like I said, we're getting the glass done right now. Carson's finishing up the prep and then we're gonna coat the glass. What we're gonna do for the sake of the video is let this cure overnight, come back tomorrow and then get a little water beading test because I know everybody loves looking at that. We just coated the wheels and wow. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know I spray painted these almost 2 years ago. And that deep gloss just looks so good still. I am very surprised, one, that it stayed that deep and rich this long. But with the Adams graphene ceramic on it, it just makes it pop. It makes it seem just deep and dark and like a real gloss black should. So very happy, one, with the paint job I did, DIY, and two, the Adams graphene on it. So just about time to buff off the layer that we put on the windshield. Gonna hit the rest of the glass and then kind of pull the car out, get some exterior shots, and wrap it up. That is incredible. Oh, this is the best my car has ever looked. Oh my goodness. I got the camera facing the other way, but my smile right now is big. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, I'm at a loss for words. So let's see the difference.
Whoa! Holy. That's pretty crazy.
Let's do it on the side, fender.
That's legit.
Want to give a quick update for you guys. I know I didn't get as much water beading and sheeting and testing as I would have liked to in this video because it's kind of been raining. Every single time I've driven my car, it's just been disgusting, like 30 degrees out. So planning on doing a maintenance wash on this car, hopefully sometime next week. That way we can get the pressure washer, the hose out and really get a solid test and see what this Adams graphene does after about a week after the application. Again, if you want to pick up this product, links will be in the description for both the kit and the individual bottle, as well as the detailed instructions for prep and application. If you guys have any specific questions about the product or application, leave them in the comments below. I read all my comments. Like the video for that sweet algorithm. Till next time, ladies and gents, we'll see you.